Hello guys, what's up? Today we are going to solve Codeforces Sheet 2's problem A 1 to n. Given a number n, print numbers from 1 to n in separate lines. That means you have a number such that 5 and you have to print from 1 to 5 all whole numbers. Only one line containing a number which condition given that n is greater than or equal 1 and less than or equal 10 cube means 1000. Then we have to output it in all the n lines by giving n line. So we are going to solve it. I'm using code blocks. You can use Visual Studio Code also. All code is same. In code blocks, first of all you have to create a new file, an empty file, and you have to save it. Save file type. I'm saving it in my document sheet 2 problem number 1 .cpp. Note that you are given that .cpp, otherwise your program won't work. Then save it. I'm going to zoom it. First of all you have to include IO stream, which means a standard input output stream, and using namespace std, using name space std, and we have to write int main and return 0. Then you have to take an input, and we are going to integer type variable, and then input scene and now the condition part. You can use for loop or while loop as you wish. I am going to solve it by for loop first. To use for loop, type for and integer type variable, that's why int I equals 1. That means I is starting from 1 and I is get less than or equal n. That means the highest range will be n, and I plus plus. That means the value of I will be rise on gradually. Then type cout I endl because we have to show the end line, that's why endl. After writing code, then Ctrl S and F9, simply press F9, or you can build and run from here. So first of all we are going to type 5, then enter. Here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 is printed. Now going to see the problem. Now we have to submit the problem solution into our Codeforces account. We are going to submit it. Submit code source problem and GNO 16.40. That's all. Now I am simply copying by Ctrl A and Ctrl C. And submitting the code. Open a GNU and submit. Ctrl B. Now submit. Now you are seeing that running on test accepted. So that's all. Thanks for watching.